Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python 3 is ready and your file loaded. Open the string or data you want to search and define the exact target value. Use SDR, find target, as the first actionable call because it returns the index of the first match or -1. That tells you immediately whether to proceed. Once done, capture that result in a variable and print or branch on it, so your code can handle both found and not found outcomes. You now refine the search. Pass start and end to SDR. Find, sub, start, end to limit the scope and speed up large texts. Make sure to update the start index after each match if you want subsequent occurrences. For example, set start equals found plus len, sub. If you need complex patterns, switch to the rejects module. Search returns a match object and findIter yields all matches efficiently. This lets you extract groups, positions, and iterate cleanly. You finish by validating results and cleaning up. Check for -1 and branch so your program doesn't misuse invalid indexes. When reading external text, make sure to handle encoding and wrap file operations in try/, except to catch Unicode decode error or none type problems. If matches overlap or you expect many occurrences, test with controlled samples and adjust logic to advance the index correctly. One key troubleshooting tip: if results are
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.